educator Anamika. Today I teach something about the atomic structure and the atomic structure, valency and the bonds. So please focus on the board and clear your all doubts. Let's start. Number 1. What are the main subatomic particles of an atom? What are the main subatomic particles of an atom? इसका मीनिंग क्या है? एटम में क्या क्या है? What particles are present in the atom? In generally, in the atoms there are 3 particles: proton, electron and neutron. In that cases, we can write proton by P, electron E and neutron N. Proton is positive charge particle. It carries positive charge. Electron carries negative charge and neutron do not carry any charges. In the cases, what's happened? In the center, there are dense part. It is called nucleus. Nucleus. This is called nucleus. It is made by proton and neutron, and around the nucleus there the shell, the orbit. In the orbit, the electron move. In the orbit, the electron moves. In the center, it is the center part. In the center, it is called nucleus, and nucleus is made up of 2 particles. It is one is proton and one is neutron. And around the nucleus, there are the shell. It is called orbit. On the orbit, the electron moves. This is the structure of an atom. Please write it in your notebook. Now go to the second question. Is it clear? Can I rub it? Number 2 questions. Where are these particles located inside the atom? Where are these particles located in the atoms? This question answer I gave in the previous question number 1. I tell this one. but I repeat one more time. The proton and neutron are located in the center, it is called nucleus, and all the electrons move around the orbit, around the nucleus, that is the orbit, and all the nuclear electron moves around this orbit. Okay, this is the nucleus and this is the orbit. The electron moves around this orbit. Please write the questions. Number 3. Number 3. Why is an atom electrically neutral? It means why is an atom electrically neutral? Means why when it is an atom form, why there is no charges? Simple. In the atoms, the number of the protons and number of the electrons are same. So number of protons, proton carries positive charge and electron carries negative charge. It means so positive charge and negative charge neutralize each other, so the atoms are electrically neutral. Now I give an example. Suppose proton, 5 proton. If any have 6 proton. 6 proton, 6 positive charge. Electron means I know in the atoms proton and electrons are same, so the electrons are 6 minus electron. So all the positive charge, all the negative charge neutralize. That is so no charge. No charge means atoms electrical neutral. For that reason it is electrical neutral at the stage of atom, not ions. Clear? Please write the questions. Now, what is atomic number? What is mass number? Please write the question first. Atomic numbers. First I tell atomic numbers. Atomic number. Number of protons in an atom is called atomic numbers. Number of protons. Number of protons is called atomic number. And what is mass number? Mass number. Mass number means number of protons and neutrons total addition is called the mass number. Number of proton and neutron is called mass number. So one more time I repeat it. Atomic number, number of protons is called the atomic number, and mass number, number of protons and number of neutrons. When it is combined, then it is called mass number. Now I show one examples and I clear it. I think it is clear. Na. Can anybody tell what is the symbol of Na? If you know, please write in the chat box. Na means sodium. What I am telling, it is mass number. Mass number. What is the Yes, proton and electron numbers are same. 23 is a mass number. It is proton plus neutron. 11 is the atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number is only proton numbers. Only proton numbers. Clear? Now I tell how can I get the proton, electron and neutrons numbers. Please focus on the board. Proton. Proton is 11 because atomic number means proton number. So proton is 11. Electron. Electron must 11 because we know in the atoms number of protons and number of electrons are same. So electrons are 11. Neutron. Neutron, how can I find out the neutron? Mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number. Atomic number. It means mass number means 23. 23 minus 11, it is 12. Clear? In this way, we find out if you know the atomic number, you know the mass number, you can calculate the electron, proton and neutron. Now, I'll give another example. You please try to tell. O. What is the formula of O? It is for oxygen. Now 16 and 8. Now you find out the mass number. You tell me. Atomic number, proton, electron, neutron. I'll give you 1 minute time. Please students try to do it. After 1 minute I explain everything, but it is a test. What you understand in the previous one, you can do this one. Okay? Carry on. Now, mass number, anybody write? If anybody complete, please write in the chat box. Mass number, you please write in the chat box. 16, atomic number 8, proton 8, electron 8, and neutron means mass number minus atomic number means it's also 8. It is also 8. Clear it? Who can't do, please copy from the board. Please copy from the board. Now, go to the next questions. Number 6. What is isotope? Isotopes. What is isotope? What is isotopes? Isotopes is that same element where there is atomic number same but the mass number are different is called isotope. I give the example and explain it. Means isotope क्या है? The atomic number same होगा but mass number different. But it's the same element like hydrogens. Means like us that one. Suppose I, my sisters, my cousins, all they are in one family. All they are one family, but our parents different. My own sister parents same, but my cousins, their parents are different. But we are all in the same family, like us that. Isotope are the same. Isotope atomic number means the group, family are same, but mass number are different. So little bit changes there. Now I tell the example, like as hydrogen. Hydrogen, there are three types of isotope is there: protium, deuterium, and tritium. Now I show, and then you can understand it. This is protium. Protium, deuterium, and tritium. Look, now you notice one thing. All the atomic numbers are same. Means all the protons numbers are same. This is 1, 1, 1. Then where is the change? Look, mass number. Here, normal hydrogen but protium, there is number 1, mass number is 1. Deuterium, mass number is 2. And tritium, mass number is 3. Then where is the change? Proton is the same, means electron is the same, so neutron should change. Neutron must change, and due to the neutron changes, neutron increases, mass number changes, and mass number changes means there are its mega isotopes. Means they are all hydrogens, but the little changes is there. Okay. What is isotope? I give the example: protium, deuterium, and tritium. Please write in your notebook from the board. I'll give you 1 minute times. Number 7. iso have same chemical properties. Why do isotopes have same chemical properties? Means we know the properties are two types, physical properties and chemical properties. Why the isotopes are all the chemical properties are same? 2 points. Number 1, number of electron same. Means why same? I tell you the atomic number are same. Means protons are same and number of protons and electrons are same. So the electrons are all the isotopes are same. Number 1, number of electrons same. Number 2 point, electronic configurations are same. Configuration are same. Then questions, what is this electronic configurations? I tell you. First, just you read this one, electronic configuration. After one question, I explain it with the example. Then why do isotopes are same? Number 2 points, number of electrons are same and all the electronic configuration are same. Questions. Why do isotopes have the different physical properties? I tell you what is isotope. I tell you what is atomic number and mass number. And what is the difference of this one? I tell everything. And I tell you what is why the chemical properties are same. I tell you. Now there is a twist. You find out. Tell me why the isotopes have the different physical properties. Only one word answer. You please think half minute, then I write the answers. Can anyone write? Can anyone write the answer? Very simple thing. The answer is mass number are different. Different mass number. Different mass number. In the isotope, I tell you, the mass numbers are variable, but the atomic number are same. Due to the different mass number, the physical properties are different. Clear? Now I tell the electronic configurations. What is electronic configurations? electronic configurations. The arrangement of electrons in an atom is called electronic configuration. कैसे उसको arrangement होता है? First I tell in the electron there are 7 cells. Shell is there. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Now I show this one. This is nucleus. Around the nucleus there are the path. It is called shell by orbit. Look, 7 shell. Shell's name inner form start by K. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. First one K, L, M, N, O, P, that are 7 cells. In the shell, what's happened? The electron moves in the ways, and according the numbers of the electrons depend on the number of electrons, and it is moves. Most of the in the atoms, what's happened? Most of the places is hollow places. In the center, all the mass is centralized. It is called the nucleus. And most of the places is hollow places, only the electrons is moves. Now, I give an example. Sodium. Atomic number is 11. Now I tell what is the configurations. First I tell division. In the shells, K shells always 2 electrons. L shell is 8 electrons, and the formula is 2n square. 2n square means 2n square. In this way they follow the formula. 2n means number of shells. Which number of shells you have? Suppose you are this one number cell, so you write 1 square. You want to know the second shells. It is 2 into 2 square means 8. Next 2 into 3 square 18 means first में 2, K में 2, second में 8, third में 18. Accordingly the electrons are present. Accordingly they are present. Now I tell here our total proton is 11. Means total electron also 11. So now 2, 8 means 10 हो गया. And one other 1. So there is 1, 11, 10. Now I show how it is present. In the center there is the proton and neutron. And there is the shell 1, 2, 3. What's happened? There is 2 electrons, there is 8 electrons, and there is 1 electrons. Now come to this point. What's happened? It is normal sodium, means Na. Now when the sodium want to meet another substances and make to a compound, in that cases it can't join, because at that time it should be first it make in the ion stage. Ion means if in the cases in ion, what's happened, all the atoms want to do for the stability, they want their outermost shell means outer shell must be 8 electrons. But in that cases it is 1 electron. Then what is the procedure? Procedure is nothing. Two ways. And number one, sodium can take 7 electrons from others. Second point, it can donate 1 electrons. Now you take. What is easy? 1 electron donate. The 7 electron take. So I think donate is easy. For outermost shell 8 electrons. If we donate this one, then outermost shells means second shells 8 electron. It is covered because it is a structure of neons. So in that cases, give it. Donate. Another one. Any one substances to whom we make to combine and make to compound. In that cases, now how can I write the sodium? Now I write the sodium in a positive charge. Why I write it is positive charge? Why I write it is positive charge? Means here the number of protons increased, number of electron not increased. It is already one donated, means number of electrons less. Up to this one clear? Please write from the board. Now I go to the what is ions. What is ion? Positive charge or negative charge particles of an atom is called ions. Means when the atom forms state, no charge. But when the atom give electron, means donate electron, or others accept electron. In two cases, it becomes charge. It becomes ions. Okay. Now I tell what is the different types of ions. What are different types of ions? Ion. It is two types. Cation and ion. Cation means positive charge, anion means negative charge. When atoms donate electrons, the number of protons increase. Suppose you have 11 sodium. Sodium have electron, proton, electron. Sodium have 11 of protons and 11 of electrons. Now, sodium gave 1 electron. So, number of proton 11, 11 plus charge, and electron 1 less means 10 minus charges. So, positive charge increases. Means it is not increasing, it is stay on the atom. Electron gives, so negative charge decreasing. So 1 positive charge extra. So it get the cations. It is the cation. Sodium positive charge. Sodium positive charge. Magnesium plus 2 means it gives donate 2 electrons. Aluminum +3. +3 means it donates 3 electrons. Anions. Anions is just opposite to cations. In that case, they accept the electrons. For that reason, number of electrons increases. Number of protons same, no changes, but number of electrons increases. So it shows negative charge, means anion. Like as chlorine, minus charge, means 1 electron accepted. Oxygen, -2, means 2 electron accepted. Nitrogen, it is -3, nitrite form. हो गया clear? Anion is cations and anions. Ions are two types, anions and cations. Cations is positive charge, anions is negative charge. Please copy from the board. Reactive. Then question is, all the atoms give the electron or take the electron? Yes, most of the atoms do, 95 atoms, but some cases, means some atoms like a snow, which is a noble gases, helium, neon, xenon, krypton, radon, this is called noble gases. They can't do this one. Why they can't do this one? And why the other atom do this one? Other atom do because every atoms want to get the structure of the noble gas so they can for their stability. So for that reason, they want either they want the helium very one, most of the neon, argon, xenon, krypton, they want to their structure. Their structure means the outer shell always 8. Because outer shell always 8, then they are stable. So why the noble gases unreactive? Because the noble gases outer shells always 8. Number 1. Outermost shell has always 8 electrons. 8 is a mark point. 8 electrons. Number 2. So, do not need accept to gain or lose the electron. Need to gain or lose the electron. Completed. For that reason, means other atoms want to make the structure of these noble gases, and noble gases do not need anything because always they have outer shell always 8 electrons, and for that reason they have no need to take or gain the electrons. Please write the answer on the board. Come to the valency, but before valency I tell something. electrons are not pulled into the nucleus. Next one question is blinking in your head. I tell atom is made of the places is hollow places. So the center there is a nucleus and all that is a ring structure of shells and all the electrons move. Then why the electrons not jumped in the nucleus? What's happened? Very simple. Electrons move very fast, and they held always in the specific energy levels. Means in the shells they are moving in the upper classes. Another class I discuss you. The shells are energy level, a small energy level, then little bit big energy level in this way. Means always they are moving fast, number one, and they are held in the fixed energy level. For that reason, electrons never jumped into the nucleus. Okay, that's okay. I write the answers. Number one, they move very fast. They held in fixed energy level. Okay. Now what is valency? What is valency? What is valency? In my previous questions, I tell you the atoms donated electrons or accepted electrons. In that cases, the atom changes ion. It means it's positive ion or negative ion. Then what is the valency? Valency means one atoms and another atoms joining capacity is called the valency. Okay? I tell you, suppose sodium. It is 1, 1, 2, 8. 2, 8 and last set is 1. Then what is the valency of the sodium? 1. How can you tell the valency of the sodium? Because what sodium do? Sodium donate this electron to others. Okay? And it changes into cation. Means sodium changes into sodium ion. And what's happened after that? Why it's do this one? Because sodium bonds to the neon's configuration, electronic configuration, outermost shell 8. When gives one electron, then this cells is not present. Now it becomes this one donated. So when he gives at 1, it can have capability to make a compound to others, which is want to make, now we want to make to join with another materials, another substances. So the valency is 1. Number of electrons donated and accepted, it tells the valency. But it's another rule also. I tell this one. Suppose this is chlorine. Cell chlorine 17. 1, 2, 3. 17, how can I write? 2, 8 and 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chlorine outermost cell have 7 electrons. Then chlorine have 2 ways to make the outermost cell 8, because what I'm telling, all the atoms want to make the neon configuration, means in the outermost cell 8 electrons. In that cases, chlorine have 2 ways. Number 1, chlorine can give 7 electrons to others. Otherwise, chlorine can take 1 electron from others. 2 ways. Now you think which is the easy? 7 electron donate easy. Now 1 electron accept easy. Obviously 1 electron accept easy. So take 1 electron. 1 electron takes. In that cases, what's happened? What I am telling, when electron number more, then it become charged, and it is obviously negative charge, means anion. So I can write Cl minus. Cl minus. So sodium plus charge I write, and Cl minus I write. Now how the valency acts? Now I tell this way. Electrovalency and covalency. Electrovalency is when atoms give electron means positive and cations, but take electrons means anions, and in this way they make a compound. Then that valency is called electrovalency. We totally give but totally take. But covalency. In the covalency, what's happened? The atoms cannot give electron totally. They share 1 or 2 electrons and make a bond, and both of the substance atoms use this bond and make a new compound. I give the example and roll this one. This is electrovalency compound, example NaCl, and this is methane. Now I show how it is happening. Now the electrovalency and covalency happen. What I am telling, Na positive charge, okay, Cl negative charge, okay. N give 1 electron and sodium take that electron. So when give electron, sodium charges, take 1 electron, chlorine charge. now become NaCl. In that cases, both sodium and outermost shell 8 electrons. Chlorine have 3 shell. This is 2 shell 8. This is 3 shell 8, and it is sodium chloride. Okay, and in that cases, so electron totally give and electron totally accepted. So ion formed, and this valency is called electrovalency, and this compound is NaCl. Another one is covalent. CH4. Now I tell how to find out the valency form of formula. I tell this one also. Suppose carbon 6, 2 and 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. Methane means 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen. And in that cases, no electrovalency, covalencies happen. Why it is covalency? Carbon has 6 electrons, means 2 and 4. So carbon need 4 electrons. And hydrogen also need electrons. In that cases, what's happened? Carbon give 1 electron, hydrogen give 1 electron, make a bond. This bond carbon also use, hydrogen also use. Carbon use for that 1, 2, 3, 4 extra electrons used, and it become 8 outermost shell. And on the other hand, hydrogen want to get the structure of helium. Means inner cell, outer cell only one cell is there. 2 electrons. But hydrogen have 1 electron. Take these electrons and make a bond. So now 2 electrons hydrogen. This hydrogen 2 electrons. This hydrogen 2 electrons. This hydrogen 2 electrons. Means they make a bonds and they make a compound. This is called covalency. Co means joint. Joint use is called jointly use. So in that cases it is happening. Just I tell crisscross method. Crisscross method. What is crisscross method? Suppose magnesium chloride. First I tell magnesium valency 2. Chlorine valency 1. How to write the magnesium chloride? First I write magnesium symbol and chlorine symbol. Now how can I write? Magnesium valency 2. I write it is down in the chlorine. So write 2. And what is the chlorine valency? It is 1. So I write here. So the total formula is MgCl2. It is called crisscross method. Means first you write the symbols and write the valency. Crosswise you write the valency. Okay? Now I tell something. Now you find out. A5 B2. What is the valency of A and B? A and B. Find out. Look, according to the crisscross method, what I am telling, A valency I write the backside of B, and B valency I write the down of A. So A valency 2 and B valency 5. Clear? Now another question. I tell another more questions. Now I tell the valency. I tell the valency, you make the compound. NH4, 1 charge. And PO3, PO4 minus 3. Write the compound name. Write the compound name. First I write. I'll give you 1 minute time. Please complete it. NH4 PO4. According to the crisscross method, NH4 is valency is 1. So I write 1. No need to write it. PO4 its valency is minus 3, but at the time of formula I cannot write any plus or minuses. I write only the numbers. So I write this one here. So I write, make a bracket. Why I make a bracket? Because here NH4 total looks like its area as a radical format. Means it's not a one atom. It's make a group of atoms. So it is called radicals, and its valency, this valency is 3. And I tell you, I write the crisscross method. So the formula is NH4 whole 3 PO4. Why do metals form positive ion? Why do metals form positive ion? Because the metals means sodium and this one, potassium, calcium, this one. In every cases, metal lost the electrons. Number of protons, electrons donate means number of electrons less. So number of protons, no change, it is the same thing before and after, but electrons less. So due to the giving electrons, it becomes the positive charges. Same thing, why do non-metal form negative ion? Negative ion, non-metals means chlorine, fluorine, oxygen. This one, why? In that cases, just opposite. They take the accept the electrons. And for that reason, number of electrons increases. Number of electron increases means negative ions form. Okay, hope atomic structure and compound valency, everything's clear. If you like my classes, please please subscribe my channels, and for online and offline classes, please join. Call in this number 9930400683. 9930400683. And one more thing for you, for all the students, bring all 20. For all the students, I bring lots of questions, MCQ questions, and I upload it. It's also live classes. You please check that live classes. After the live classes, this live classes started. I arrange all things. I arrange the MCQ questions for biology, physics, and chemistry. Please join these live classes and make it successful. And one more thing, not success for me, success for you. Means if you complete these MCQs, hope you will score a beautiful marks, a good marks in the exam. Thank you everybody who watch my video. অফ করার জন্য ব্যস্ত হয়ে আছি।